Welcome to Quiz Hunters. In this video, we will learn about full form of famous companies. There will be 20 questions to answer and you will get 5 seconds to answer each question. If you love this video, please subscribe, like and share as much as possible. So let's begin. Question number 1. Full form of BP. Answer is British Petroleum. Question number 2. Full form of CNN. Answer is Cable News Network. Question number 3. Full form of DHL. Answer is Delsey Hillblom Lynn. Question number 4. Full form of IKEA. Answer is Ingvar Kamprad Ilmtiad Agunad. Question number 5. Full form of Intel. Answer is Integrated Electronics. Question number 6. Full form of JBL. Answer is James Bullough Lansing. Question number 7. Full form of LG. Answer is Lucky Gold Star. Question number 8. Full form of RBS. Answer is Royal Bank of Scotland. Question number 9. Full form of JCB. Answer is Josephine Cyril Banford. Question number 10. Full form of SEGA. Answer is Service Games. Question number 11. Full form of WWE. Answer is World Wrestling Entertainment. Question number 12. Full form of KFC. Answer is Kentucky Fried Chicken. Question number 13. Full form of UN. Answer is United Nations. Question number 14. Full form of MS. Answer is Microsoft. Question number 15. Full form of IFC. Answer is International Finance Corporation. Question number 16. Full form of CCE. Answer is Coca-Cola Enterprises. Question number 17. Full form of JVC. Answer is Japan Victor Company. Question number 18. Full form of FedEx. Answer is Federal Express. Question number 19. Full form of BT. Answer is British Telecommunication. Question number 20. Full form of UPS. Answer is United Parcel Services. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, you can list that below in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share as much as possible. See you in the next video. Stay safe and have a blessed day. Thank you.